To describe how to create an animated plot of daily Bitcoin prices using Python, I downloaded the historical BTC daily prices for the last year as a CSV file from Yahoo Finance. You'll need to pip install pandas and matplotlib. I'm using a Mac and had to brew install fmpeg to enable me to save the video. First of all, you import the packages. You then load the price data into a pandas data frame. Here we're selecting only the close price and date, and we're dropping any null records. We then set up the plot. XX is the index of the pandas data frame, which is an integer up to 365 for the number of days in the year. YY is the actual close price. We create an animate function, which first of all clears the previous image, sets the X label and the Y label and the title. It then actually plots the line using XX and YY. It also fixes the X-axis limits. That's the minimal and maximal values the X-axis can have, and same for the Y-axis. Finally, you create an instance of the func animation class, passing in the animate function fig which was created earlier. The frames being the number of price data points +1. The interval influences the speed of the replay. You can then either show the plot or save the plot.